Jeff Upford is an engineer at Transnet Engineering, a division of the South African National Railway Company. In 2014, Transnet bought 359 electric locomotives from China's CRRC Corporation, the world's largest supplier of rail transit equipment. His daily job involves testing out the first batch of 40 locomotives before their official operation.
The tests so far have gone fairly well. We've had no requirement of repeat tests, and this is our first day of tractive effort tests. So far tests have gone very well.
The first batch of 40 locomotives were designed and manufactured in China. According to the agreement, the key components of the remaining 319 locomotives will be manufactured in South Africa in the future.
The key components which are produced in South Africa include the trim body, wiring, the general assembly, and the experimental debugging.
Transnet has over 2,100 electric locomotives and more than 1,400 diesel locomotives. But over half of these have almost reached their design lifespan, and the demand for new and updated locomotives is urgent.
We now have one team between CSR and Transnet running that production line. They're planning together, and it's been a very huge success from a skills transfer point of view, and we believe that there is technology transfer that will go with it as we go and start now maintaining those locomotives they are all in operations as we speak.
South African technicians and their Chinese counterparts from the CRRC are now busy assembling the remaining 319 locomotives. Transnet and CRRC are also discussing forming a joint venture company, introducing China's high-speed railway technology and services to boost their railway transportation. Besides transferring technologies to local manufacturers, one of the largest automotive companies in China, First Automotive Works, opened its new production operation in the Koga Industrial Development Zone of Nelson Mandela Bay in 2014. The production capacity of this plant is 5,000 trucks per year. Hao Jianyu is a deputy CEO of FAW in South Africa. He said his company also plans to build an automotive industry chain in the years to come.
We plan to build a car manufacturing industry park of our own in South Africa by introducing our partners, including accessory suppliers and logistic companies, to the development zone. This will largely improve our competitiveness and help to reach a win-win situation.
The city of Nelson Mandela Bay has a long history of car manufacturing. Local officials say FAW's localized production has brought hundreds of jobs, but more importantly, it boosts the industry with more competitive products and services.
So we were very happy when FAW came to deepen and strengthen both the history, the culture, and that tradition of automotive manufacturing. What we're looking for is to strengthen, particularly in the truck and commercial vehicles, and hopefully down the way to strengthen also the car manufacturing.
South Africa is now planning to embark on a massive re-industrialization program to ensure the country's economic growth. Due to these Chinese investors' fruitful localized operations, the South African government is looking forward to welcoming further advanced Chinese manufacturers with the expectation that their investment and technologies will help speed up the country's re-industrialization process. Wu Lai, CCTV, Nelson Mandela Bay.